I am in London. I am in London. I am not a teacher. I am not a teacher. I am afraid to go. I am afraid to go. I am terribly hungry. I am terribly hungry. I am near the station. I am near the station. Where are we? Where are we? We lost the game. We lost the game. We go there often. We go there often. I trust you. I trust you. You must go. You must go. You look busy. You look busy. You look sick. You look sick. Why do you lie? Why do you lie? He can come. He can come. He was alone. He was alone. He was at home. He was at home. He is still here. He is still here. I don't like any of them. I don't like any of them. They are actors. They are actors. Are they friends? Are they friends? They are in class. They are in class. Let me in. Let me in. Give it to him. Give it to him. I saw him running. I saw him running. She cooks for him. She cooks for him. Try it again. Try it again. Who built it? Who built it? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. That's our house. That's our house. Let's clean our room. Let's clean our room. I traveled by myself. I traveled by myself. That is mine. That is mine. This thin book is mine. This thin book is mine. I like their pictures. I like their pictures. They will keep their promise. They will keep their promise. There is nothing in the box. There is nothing in the box. Would you like another cup of tea? Would you like another cup of tea? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.